once they get to know Tim, or anybody for that matter, with Down syndrome, once they get to know him, they fall in love with him. I think it was Oprah Winfrey who said, you can love anybody if you know their story. So by helping tell his story, people fall in love with him. And not only do they fall in love with him, but they want to meet him. And many of them have kept in contact with him through social media and are raving fans of Tim Harris because they've had the chance to meet him and learn his story. So for me, I love using the opportunity, the platform, and the microphone that I have to be able to help people understand this is a person, this is a human. Not only that, you can love this person and he can love you. And like I said, we have a lot more in common than you might think. So perhaps open your mind to the possibility of what a friendship could look like and what this person could offer to you. I really believe, in ministry, I've been in ministry vocational ministry for over a decade. And I take people across the border down to Mexico and third world countries, and I take them on mission trips. And while those trips are helpful and beneficial to the people whom we serve, when we go and help an orphanage, or when we go and bring clothes or food to a third world country, we're the people that are serving. We are definitely serving. We're making them better. I believe. I think we're improving their situation. However, I believe that I get more out of that trip than the people whom I'm serving. And I would say the same thing is true for my friendship with Tim. My friendship with Tim is not a handout to Tim. I'm convinced that I get more out of that friendship than he does. And he might fight you on that. He might argue that and say, no, I love Matt more than he loves me. But really, it's such a blessing to have that friendship and have a relationship with him. And so the more I can give that gift to other people, sounds a little strange, but give the gift of Tim to other people, the better off they are for it. And, we lived in California. We're in New Mexico now, but many people have reached out and said, hey, how's Tim doing? Like they remember Tim from years ago when he happened to be in California and when he was on stage with me. He just has a lasting impact. And the more people that I can introduce to him, the better off their lives are. So it's just a blessing to have him in my life.
Love is all around. Love is a potion.